Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm getting ready to go work at the salon and I had to wash my hair today and I was like, oh, a lot of people were commenting in my last video where I reviewed the Dyson blow dryer. They were like, oh my god, you should try out the diffuser on your natural hair texture, and I was like, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna start off the vlog using the diffuser, and then I realized I don't have it with me. But my hair already has started to kind of air dry a little bit. And it's crazy how, like, I didn't put any product in it at all yet. Like, I just got out of the shower and I've been letting it air dry. And I feel like just from, like, not using as much heat on it the last couple of months, like, my curls are just so much more defined. I've been trying to wear my natural texture more, but I'm one of those people who I've had curly hair my whole life, but I've also straightened it pretty much my whole life. I'm just gonna wear it clipped back like this today. And I have to wear my glasses all the time now because I'm actually getting LASIK eye surgery in a few weeks. I've been wearing contacts since I was 12, and they don't want me wearing my contacts for like a month before the actual procedure because I guess it can like affect the shape of your eye a little bit and stuff. So I've just been stuck in my glasses, but I'm really excited. I will definitely share that whole process with you guys in a separate vlog. I don't know if they'll actually let me record the procedure itself because I'm not allowed to bring anybody in with me, but I will, you know, share all the info with you guys. Oh wait, you might notice I'm in a different location than usual. So I am moving out of my apartment and moving in to a house with my boyfriend. I've mentioned it in a couple vlogs now. It is quite the project. It was not move-in ready. So we have been in the process of just fixing it up and just making it like our own. And I am vlogging that in a separate video. I'm gonna like share the entire process with you guys, the before and afters and everything, show you how I decorate in here. That's where I've been. We have been for like the past week, I wanna say. Everything's like been like it's not done yet. It's livable now. So we've brought some of our stuff over and we've been sleeping here the last week. That's why I don't have my diffuser for the Dyson because I left that at my apartment. So I want to give you guys like a quick little sneak peek in this vlog so you can kind of see how it's looking so far. But I need to finish getting dressed really quick first. And let me show you my outfit because I haven't done like an outfit of the day in so long. So here is what I'm wearing today. I have this bodysuit. It's really old, from Forever 21, I want to say. This little cropped zip up is from H&M. Jeans are American Eagle, and then I'm wearing these sandals from H&M. And then as far as my jewelry, I layered these two necklaces from Luisa, and they are sponsoring this portion of the vlog, so thank you so much to them. If you are a regular viewer of mine, you know that I have been working with them for a really long time now, like almost a year, I want to say. I also have these little huggy hoops that are from them as well, and my bracelets are both from them too. And these bracelets I've had for months now. The smaller one, I want to say I got back in like November, October, sometime in the fall. And then the bigger one I got sometime in the winter, but I wear them 24/7. Like, I don't take them off. I wear them in the shower every single day, and you can see they have not tarnished at all. And it's been many months. I love all of their pieces because everything is really amazing quality, and they stand by it 100%. They even have a 365-day return policy. So if for whatever reason the quality does not meet your expectations, you can send it back and get a full refund or get it replaced, or no questions asked. And they are a sustainable brand, which I really love. I've been trying to be a little bit more conscious about where I'm spending my money and what brands and companies I'm supporting. So they offset 100% of their carbon emissions, and they make all of their pieces in small batches to reduce any kind of waste. And their pieces are really affordable. They are gold plated, but the quality, like I said, is amazing. They do not tarnish. It feels basically like having a real gold piece, but for a fraction of the price. Their jewelry starts at $39, and they are actually running a Mother's Day sale starting April 12th. So if you guys click the link in the description, you'll get 15% off all of your pieces. And they make a great Mother's Day gift if you're looking for you know, a nice piece of jewelry to give your mom or even just for yourself. That is my outfit for today. But I said I would give you guys a little sneak peek of the house. So since we're in the closet, let me start here. So I put 2 poles over here. I'm gonna hang my bodysuits and t-shirts up here, and then I think I'll do like dresses down here, and then all of like my long sleeves, hoodies, jackets over here on this pole, and then I put some shelves over here so I can put some folded clothes, and then I have like my perfume, jewelry, and sunglasses up here, hung up my robes over the door, and then I just put this little mirror so I can see my outfit. Here's another little sneak peek. This is where my office is going to be. So I just painted this little corner. I'm gonna just have like a little corner office nook. I'm gonna put up a curtain or something. Hello. I'm gonna put up a curtain to just block the water heater over here, but I'm gonna put my desk over here. And I actually ordered a new one from Target, which should be coming tomorrow. So I'm excited. This is gonna be really cute. And I painted it like this peachy pink color because I felt like, I don't know, everything in the house is very neutral. So I wanted just one little area with a pop of color. We hung up those curtains last night. All these little pieces of wood trim, I think we're gonna paint white. And then, and here's the living room, which is a little crazy and messy right now. I had to move a lot of things around, but yesterday I painted the walls in here. So I did this kind of, on camera I feel like it's looking kind of gray, but it's sort of like a milky, pinkish kind of white. I don't know, it's really, really pretty. Very soft and subtle. And I just need to finish, I started painting the trim on the ceiling white, so I need to finish doing that at some point. I'm back at my apartment now. I finished my first client. She was just a color retouch. Now I have like an hour and a half until my next client, so I figured let me run home so I can grab a fresh battery for my camera and eat something. But I just wanted to kind of show you what the next step of the moving process is gonna be and kind of like where I'm at with everything. So I took most of the stuff out of the bathroom. The bedroom is kind of a mess, but I took some stuff from my closet. I still got a lot of clothes and stuff that I have to pack up. Tomorrow, my mom is gonna come over. I'm gonna do her hair and she's gonna help me pack up some more stuff. The first step was getting the house livable. Now that we're at that point, the last couple of days, we've been like slowly moving my stuff out of my apartment over to the new house. And I want to just do everything gradually and just like one car load at a time, just so it's not super overwhelming. Every time that I've moved in the past, which has been many, many times, I've moved a lot, I always did it in like one day or one weekend. It was always like a big, hectic, stressful process. So I want this move, since I have a lot of time, my lease isn't up until the end of May. So I wanted to start early so that we could just kind of like stretch out the process and do it little at a time so it wouldn't be as overwhelming. And then once I get everything out of here that I can fit in my car, the big stuff, I probably will rent a U-Haul. That's where I'm at with everything. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat really quick and then head back to the salon, and I will share with you my second client. I had did a color correction on her a few months back, and she's in for a balayage now, so I'm not sure if we're doing something different or if she just wants to like move her blonde up higher. I don't know. We'll see. So this client, like I said, I had did her hair a few months back, and at this point, as you can see, it's pretty grown out and her ends were starting to look a little bit brassy. So the goal was to just bring the blonde up higher, but still keep it really nice and blended, and also make her ends a little bit ashier. So I didn't record the process of this because I feel like you guys have seen me foil a million times now. All I did was I went through and I just did teased slices, leaving some hair out in between. And then after I finished foiling her entire head, I just went through and applied some more lightener to the ends that I left out, just to kind of like bump them up a little bit so that I could get rid of that little bit of brassiness and warmth. So after she was done processing, I pulled out her foils, and you can see this is what her hair lifted to before the toner. So for my toner formula, I did mainly 8V with a little bit of 7NA and 7P from Reg & Shade DQ. I applied that with a bottle and let it process for 15 minutes. And then this was her final hair. It was starting to get pretty dark out at this point, but hopefully you can still kind of see her color. It came out really pretty. So here's the backstory with this client. She is a hairstylist herself, and she's been coloring her hair red for I think like over 10 years, she said, and she's just over it. She was ready to change it up, and her ultimate goal is to be platinum blonde. So she started the process before coming into me. She actually had a friend of hers in beauty school add some highlights to her hair. I also told her to do a Malibu CPR treatment on her hair and just clarify it a lot before coming in so that she could try to fade that red as much as possible.
My natural is so ashy.
I was gonna say, yeah.
I actually can't stand my natural, like, at all. So I was using 6'6", or what was it, 645? 6645, yeah, for years. And it worked out really great, but now I'm over the red. I just would like to be blonde eventually, but I know with the red, I didn't know how it was gonna lift and everything else. I mean, I trust you 100%.
I mean, just because, like I said, the blonde pieces you have are, like, they're blonde, they're nice. And the red that is left over doesn't look too, like, concentrated or too built up. So I feel like, you know, obviously I can't say 100% for sure until I see what happens, but I feel like you could go for it.
I mean, eventually I'd love to be like platinum, but
okay. So So you can see after I rinsed out the product, this is what her hair lifted to. It was pretty warm. There was still a little bit of stubborn red, kind of like an orangey pink color in there. So I don't remember exactly what I toned her with, but I did do a shadow root and I mixed like a level 5 with a 6 ash. And for her ends, I'm pretty sure I mixed like a level 8 with a 7. And I just did a whole bunch of stuff because I had a lot of things to try to combat. It's definitely not perfect. It's still a little bit uneven. You can still see a little bit of that stubborn warmth in there. Looking back, I do kind of wish that I would have just embraced the warmth and did a little bit more of like a darker, warmer blonde on her. but I wanted to try to give her the lightest results possible. So she is gonna come in for a second session in another few weeks, and I'm just going to lift out that little bit of remaining warmth, and hopefully she'll be able to be platinum after the second session. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I am at the new house again. We've been staying here like every night, and at this point, majority of the stuff that I need on a regular basis, like my toothbrush, you know, just like the important daily things that you need, are all here. So I feel like I probably won't be staying at my apartment overnight anymore at this point. But yesterday my mom came over to my apartment with me. We completely packed my car, filled it up as much as we possibly could with stuff. And I'm almost finished with the trim in the living room. I did up here. There's just a couple spots that I still need to do, and along like the floorboards need to be done still. But I did the bottom trim in here last night, and I brought my computer over. I ordered a new desk from Target, but it's delayed, of course. So that's supposed to be coming sometime this week. But for now, I found this little like side table that I'm just using temporarily so I can get a little bit of work done. I got this rug from Target, that's new. This chair is actually for my vanity, which will be upstairs in the bathroom. I'm still gonna use like the same office chair that I've been using. I just didn't bring it over yet. I hung up these curtains, which I don't know if I love those, but for now they work. We might eventually put like an actual door up there, or maybe different curtains, I'm not sure. Oh, and I also brought over this fake tree, so I put that in the corner over there. This wall definitely needs to be repainted, but we'll get to that eventually. But it's starting to come together. The kitchen is still a hot ass mess, but hopefully this coming week we will be able to get this all fixed up nicely. I got these shelves from Lowe's that I want to hang up on this wall over here just to give us a little bit more storage, especially since this kitchen, the layout is just super weird. There's these built-in cabinets. You know, traditional kitchens, you have like the cabinets on the bottom, countertops. We don't have that here. I was thinking it would be cool if we could take these doors off, kind of seal up these cabinets, and then just get like a traditional kitchen set up over here with cabinets and countertops. But I also don't know how worth it would be to do that, because we don't know how long we're going to be staying here for. I feel like if it's only going to be for a year, then it's probably not worth like spending all that money, you know? I don't know, we'll see. As long as everything is functional, that's the most important thing. So yeah, it's coming together. We're getting there little at a time. But like I said, I am vlogging the process for a separate video. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the post notifications, and stay tuned. That should be coming in like a month or so once everything is fully done in here. But I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I need to finish editing the vlog that you're watching, and then I wanna just like, you know, keep doing stuff in here, maybe finish painting the trim. So that's gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that link in the description if you wanna get 15% off your purchase from Luisa. Like I said, with Mother's Day coming up, it's a perfect gift for your mom or even just for yourself. So go ahead and take advantage of that sale while you can, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.